Analysis of centers built to replace IPC, CrPC, and Indian Evidence Act. In a significant move that has sparked debates across the nation, the central government has introduced a groundbreaking bill in the Lok Sabha aiming to replace three fundamental pillars of India's legal framework: the Indian Penal Code, IPC, the Code of Criminal Procedure, CrPC, and the Indian Evidence Act. The proposed legislation is poised to bring about substantial changes in the country's criminal justice system, raising both hopes and concerns among legal experts, lawmakers, and citizens. The need for reform. The Indian Penal Code, Code of Criminal Procedure, and Indian Evidence Act have long been the cornerstones of India's legal system, dating back to the British colonial era. While they have served as the foundation for maintaining law and order, critics argue that these laws have become outdated and do not effectively address the complexities of contemporary society. Over the years, there have been calls for reform to make the legal system more efficient, transparent, and just. The proposed bill aims to address these concerns by introducing comprehensive changes that take into account modern legal principles, technological advancements, and the evolving socio-economic landscape of the country. Key highlights of the bill. 1. Codification and consolidation. One of the most significant aspects of the bill is the consolidation of multiple laws into a single, cohesive statute. This move is expected to simplify legal procedures, reduce duplication, and make the legal system more accessible to the general public. 2. Technology integration. The bill emphasizes the incorporation of technology to streamline various legal processes, including case management, evidence collection, and court proceedings. This could potentially lead to quicker resolutions and reduced case backlogs. 3. Protection of rights. The bill focuses on upholding individual rights and liberties, aligning with the principles enshrined in the Constitution of India. It aims to strengthen safeguards against arbitrary arrests, ensure a fair trial, and prevent the misuse of legal provisions. 4. Restorative justice. The proposed legislation introduces concepts of restorative justice, aiming to encourage amicable resolutions between parties and reduce the adversarial nature of the criminal justice system. This could have a significant impact on reducing the burden on courts. Voices of support. Proponents of the bill argue that these reforms are long overdue. They assert that modernizing the legal system is crucial to ensure justice is accessible to all citizens, regardless of their socio-economic background. The integration of technology, the focus on individual rights, and the move towards restorative justice are seen as steps in the right direction. Conversations and concerns. However, the proposed legislation has also raised concerns within the legal community. Some fear that hastily replacing well-established laws could lead to ambiguity and confusion in the transition phase. Additionally, questions about the adequacy of public consultation and the potential impact on marginalized sections of society have been raised. The road ahead. As the bill makes its way through the legislative process, it is imperative for lawmakers to engage in rigorous debates, consider expert opinions, and address the legitimate concerns that have been raised. Striking a balance between preserving the core principles of the existing laws and embracing necessary reforms will be a delicate task. In conclusion, the central government's proposal to replace the Indian Penal Code, Code of Criminal Procedure, and Indian Evidence Act reflects a bold step towards modernizing India's legal framework. While the proposed changes hold the promise of a more efficient, transparent, and accessible legal system, they also bring to the fore a host of challenges that must be navigated carefully. As the nation watches this legislative journey unfold, the hope remains that the end result will be a legal system that truly reflects the values and aspirations of India in the 21st century. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explanium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.